In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a survey board using a ready-made template, so you can start collecting feedback quickly and stay organized. Let's begin inside your monday.com workspace. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your list of workspaces. Look for the workspace where you want your new survey to live. Next to that workspace name, there's a small plus or add icon. Click on that icon. This is how you create something new inside that workspace, and in this case, we're going to use it to add a new board that will hold your survey. Once you've clicked the add icon, a small menu will appear. In that menu, find the option labeled board. You'll see a little arrow or greater than symbol next to it. Click on that arrow. This opens up more choices for how you want to create your board, whether from scratch or from something pre-built. Instead of building everything manually, we're going to save time by using a template. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Start with Template and click on it. Templates in monday.com are pre-designed boards with columns and structures already set up, so they're perfect for common workflows like surveys and forms. After you choose to start with a template, you'll be taken to the Template Center. At the top of this page, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word survey. This will filter all the available templates and show you only those that are designed for surveys or related to collecting responses. You should now see one or more survey templates displayed on the screen. Take a moment to look at the options. When you find the survey template that best fits what you need, move your cursor over it and select it. Clicking on the template will open a more detailed preview, so you can quickly